Hello.
Hello. What are we doing today?
We are working on the house, but you're doing editing on a video. Yes, I will sing again one day, I promise.
Yay, Susie! So, Susie, this one is for you. Some people say a man is made out of mud. A poor man is made out of muscle and blood. Muscle and blood, and ice skin and bones. A mind that's weak and a back that's strong. You load 16 tons, so what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. Some Peter, don't you call me, cause I can't go. I only sold to the company store. I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. I picked up my shovel and I walked to the mine. Loaded 16 tons of number 9 coal, and the trouble say, God bless your soul. Load 16 tons, so what do you get? Another day older and a deeper in debt. So Peter, don't you call me, cause I can't cry. So to the company store. This is Daniel's favorite. I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. Funny and Trouble was my middle name. I was raised by a cane breaking mama lion. Can't know I pushed move and make me walk the line. Oh, sorry. I have to be serious when I'm singing this stuff and just keep on singing. Yes, okay. If you see me coming walking, you better step aside. A lot of men didn't, and a lot of men died. And nobody can bring food like Daniel is my private chef. Now what do you know? Some people say that you were great, weird kind of too. I fell in love the first time we spoke. I didn't tell you because I was really pissed off, but all the things called guys at all. Yeah. You know, but you had my shit and you picked me up. You carried me through every stumbling rock. Thank you. And now I am here in Alabama. And what do you know? It's not what you would think, is it? Because you load 16 tons. What do you get? Another day older. Yeah, we don't have any debt, praise God. St. Peter, you can call me, but I'm not ready to go, cause I haven't done everything you told me to do. So we keep on walking on the path of faith. We keep on walking and we keep on straight. We love each other, fight each other all day long, but you're supposed to sing along. Oh my gosh, Susie is supposed to sing along. Yes. You make it up. Some people say a man is made of a man. A poor man's made of muscle and blood. Muscle and blood and a skin and bones and a man knows what you do. Let's struggle.
Peter, don't you call me, cause I can't go. I hold my soul to the company store.
Well, thank you, Daniel, for trying to sing along. You actually didn't try. You actually came along. I love you for that. You're my ultimate guy. I will sing with you. More in the future. I'm not letting you go. But it was a nice first go. I love it. Yay. Susie, you have to encourage him more. Yes.